Jackie from the basement, happy with a twist, Acrylic Pours Plus. I just wanted to see what last time turned out to look like. Yes, I'm quite pleased with it. It wasn't what I was wanting. It's got a little bit more gold than I preferred, but yes, can you see the cells in here? And all that? It looks so nice. So, we're going to do another one tonight, and I will be right back after I get my paints together. Hangy holdy. And we are back. Yay! I've got my cup here filled almost to the rim. Well, close enough, right? And it's an 8-ounce cup. And I am using the black Artist Loft Flow Acrylics. The DecoArt 24K Gold alternating, well, no, we're not alternating those. We are alternating the black with the Artist Loft Light Violet. All are mixed with the Floetrol. Whoops. And I put a lot less gold in here than I did for my last one. So, fingers crossed it's not going to be all shimmery and whatnot. And we're going to do another ribbon pour. This is a 12 by 12. And we had a little accident when I went to shake the black. Didn't have my finger on the lid. Shook it, wham, bam, yeah. So, we're all good though. Let's put some gloves on here. Because I know I'm going to need them. Just when I think I don't, I do. So, let me take my other half glove off. My goodness. Alright. There we go, into the pocket. Alright. So, is everybody ready for the oncoming storm that a lot of people here in the United States are getting? Yeah. The only thing that worries me is if I lose electricity. But I've got plenty of blankets, and Princess will be in a room with me. Oh my goodness. Okay, there we go. I couldn't find the way into the glove. We're fine. So I hope everybody stays safe and that nothing horrible happens. Let's just let it flow through, and everything will be fine, right? That's what I try to tell myself. Alright, so let's start this out. Okay, we're just going to leave those things alone. I did put a little bit of titanium white on the top here, which should go to the bottom. So anything that's on the top will flow to the bottom. That gold is still taking off like crazy. Oh, I'm seeing cells already. How pretty are those? Woo! We haven't even hit it with the torch yet. I'm impressed. Highly impressed. Highly. And if we don't have enough purple on here, I'm just going to drape it on there after we get things done. Okay. There's the cup. Let's hit it with these. Well, they're really expanding, aren't they, if you've been watching those. Wowzers. Alright, let's do the tilting. And I did made sure this was level before I started doing anything with it. Oh, that gold is still taking over, dang it. Alright. I'm going to do this nice and slow, because I like that purple up there. Okay. I don't want to lose that if possible. Set it back down. And it's caught my glove. If you hear anything in the background, that's just my washer. I'm doing a much needed load of laundry. Okay. Good. One more itch. We're going to help it along here with this. What I had on my hand, so it doesn't have to stretch so far. And we're going to do a balancing act here. Whoopsie do, I heard the tape go. Okay. I could not find my green tape for nothing. So I had to use the blue tape, which is way wider than it should be for this. Okay, alright, I think this is going to, I think we're liking this. I think. Get my hand a little bit wiped off here. I still gotta find that cup that I was putting the leftovers in. But I could have just smushed it into there. Okay. You can see a little bit of the white there, but I don't think that's going to make any difference. A little bit there. Kind of like maybe that's kind of contrast, possibly. Let's hit it with the torch one more time. We still got the cells here. Alrighties. Okay. And all papers out of the way. Just getting any bubbles out that may be in there. Okay. So, we're going to bring you down for a close-up. You know the drill, guys. Helmets and seatbelts. Please let me first wipe my hand one more time because I do not want to drip on here. If the papers will stand up. Don't fall, please. Okay. Actually, we're going to put it further over here. Okay. Yes, I'm very disorganized. Yes, I'm sorry. Okay, here we come. Here we go. Zoom. Okay, yay. Okay. Here is a corner. That is kind of, I think it looks good. There's a pretty purple in there. It looks like I got, okay, in the camera it looks like I have some blue in there, but it's not showing up in real time. Okay. And up in that corner. Going to keep my sleeve away from here. There's that purple up there. Here's the cells. Those pretty cells, y'alls. Alrighty. So, are we happy with this? I hope so. I'm hoping that's what she wanted. We will find out. But thanks for watching, guys, and thank you for subscribing. I appreciate all of you. And if you're not a subscriber and you want to be, simply click that bell to subscribe and hit all so you can see what the crazy old woman is up to next. You never know. So, and I want to wish everybody a very, very happy holidays this weekend. Stay safe, take care, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.